Today we draw Rikka Takanashi, not a little bird. We start with his blindfold. The eye mask is a two-layer quadrilateral. First, draw a curved eyelash on the right eye. The outline of the eye is an egg. The eyeballs and highlights inside are just a few small bird eggs, commonly known as bird ford, little bird. His nose and mouth are very small. The outline of the face has a small arc. Notice the ups and downs of this piece. Indent a little. Then draw his hair, the top of the hairline and the height of the skull. After marking out, for the rest, we just need to use the arc to slowly move up. His bow tie is very pretty. I want to tear him in half. The bandage of the eye mask is also attached to this piece. His body is very petite. Just draw him to strokes and we will knock him down. Next, after drawing the outline of the music, let's play another piece of music with some accompaniment.